Okay, let's start because just now we were waiting for some of you here. Okay, let's do this. What is the value of, okay, what is the value of 60? 60 divided by 3,000. Okay, now when we have this, what we can do here is I have 1 out of 50, right? So when we have 1 out of 50, we can change it to decimals or we can change it to 100. So is it 2 out of 100? And so you get 0.02. Okay. One. Okay. Paul's mass was last year at 64 kilogram. That's last year. And this year he went up to be 80. So definitely there's an increase, right, from 64 to 80. So what was the increase here? You will be able to see that 80 can minus a 64. Okay. All right. 80 minus 64, I will get a 16. Now, what is called percentage increase? We must use whatever increased value out of the original, which is 64. And then you multiply by 100%. So 16 divided by 64. In fact, if you change this to the lowest term, you will try to get something 1 out of 4. Okay, and if you were to reduce even further, this is 1 out of 25. So eventually you will get a 25% increase. Okay, so option number B. Okay, just now what was that? Okay, option number C. Let me finish up these. Okay. Okay, next one. Let me write down this. Okay, so what we have learned so far, what was the percentage increase? Okay, percentage increase or percentage decrease. Okay, what you can do is you have the changes, which is the increase or decrease. Okay, out of original, multiply 100%. Okay, so therefore your answer must be in the percentage change. All right. Okay. Wow, who give answer so fast already can do until the end. Oh, Tommy, thank you. But Tommy, meanwhile, you help yourself with the checking of the answers as well, can? Okay. Desiree, welcome. My name is Miss Susan. Welcome to my class. Okay. For those who are new, you must have your this printed worksheet with you, or soft copy is okay. All right. So long as if you have a copy here. Okay. Question number 3. Let's check. Rectangular PQRS is made up of 2 identical squares. Now, the keyword is identical square. What do you understand by this? Identical means same size. Okay? The area of each square. So you get this area as 25. So your area is equal 25 cm square. Okay, now you have this area as 25, 25. What can you understand from here? We first must understand all the 4 sides of a square are equal. So in order for you to have the sides, you have to find a number whereby 25 can give you a number multiplied by this number, and it must be the same. Okay, now alternatively, what you can do, you can also use square root. All right, many of them might have learned what is a square root. Okay, so square root is to have something of a similar, same number multiply to get the 25. Okay. Okay, let me take a look at 2 messages. Thank you. Yeah, Hannah, thank you so much. Yes. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Tommy. Okay, so what we have, we are going to fill this up. 5 cm. For every side here, we'll have all the 5 cm if we fill them. Okay, so what is the question now is he wanted something. He wanted the perimeter of PQRS. Where is PQRS? So PQRS. So this is the one that they are asking for. That means you must find the total perimeter. Okay, so meaning to say, now you can add up the sides. Okay, so perimeter of rectangle, I'm going to write in short, okay, but you don't in PSLE exams, you must write them in full. So what is the length here? From here to here. Okay. Is 10 cm. So you have 10, 10, 5, 5. So you get down to 30. Okay? Can?
I thought the answer was 50.
Wait, perimeter of PQRS 25, 5, 30, right?
Because I did 5 times 10.
But they want perimeter.
I found the area.
Oh. Yeah. Okay. Can, no problem. Priya later, that question will come later. No worries. Every question I'll go through. Can. All right. So this one is option number A. Okay. I came to notice that they have a bracket here. Okay, since they have a bracket, then okay lah. Let me write down this thing. Highlighter. Maybe I use. Okay, so this is option C. Okay. Then question 2, we have option B. Question number 3, we have option A. Okay. So far, okay, can understand? Okay, for those who got it wrong, if you think you want to do your correction now in green, please go ahead. Okay, so if you think that you didn't catch up the correction, it doesn't matter because all the PowerPoint slides, what happened later, I will have a copy save up, and then this will be posted back to the system. You can go and open up and check the corrections again later on. Okay, not today, but give me a couple of days. Usually I send it up one day after, after checking everything. Okay, question number 4, let's take a look. Okay, question number 4, let's see.
I never do this question.
Oh, why? This one quite okay. It's about algebra, first topic you learned in P6. Okay, first, Andy bought 5Z. But Ben, he ate but fewer than Andy. You know that Andy has 5Z, right? So when Andy has 5Z, Ben must have lesser. So in order to find Ben, what you need to do is to minus 8. So I have 5Z minus 8 for Ben. Okay? Then now another person, we call him Charlie. Charlie has how much? 1/6. As much as who? As Ben. Which Ben has 5Z minus 8. So he wanted to find Charlie who is 1/6, right? So Charlie bought 1/6. So is 1/6 as much as 5Z minus 8. Okay, now since 5Z minus 8, can I say this is over 1? Can, right? So technically, if you were to, put them into single fraction, then this is over 6. 5z minus 8 over 6. Okay, is this difficult? No, right? Okay. Let me check the function. Check function here, Cesar. Careful, careful with the working, Okay. Thank you, Jaden. Thank you for your response. Thank you. Okay, let's take a look at the next question. The question says, the ratio of the number of stems that Siti have to the number of stems that Paul have was 4:3. Okay, let me check. So now he talk about Siti and talk about Pam. So this is Siti and this is Pam. And Siti has 84 stems. Okay, so Siti 84 and this 84 is meant for 4 units. How many stems did Pam has? So Pam is technically having 3 units. So meaning to say we have to find for 3 units. Okay, so let's do it. Since you have 4 units, to find one, I use 84 to divide by 4 and I get to 21. So 21 is only meant for 1 unit. So you have to find 3 units. Multiply this by 3, you get 63 here. Okay, 63. And the answer for this will be C. Okay? Correct. Okay, thank you, Tommy, for your response. All right. The rest of them, you still can put in the answer. Don't need to wait for me to say. Okay, you may put in the answer for the one that I actually doing now. Okay. All right, Q6. If you have your answer for Q6, do it here. No worries. Can write the final answer. Yes. Don't need to show the working. All right. Next. Sally bought. This is what he bought. Okay. This is too dark. Okay, so this is what he bought. And then this is what he drank. So he must have left something, right? So what is the amount that he left? You must use whatever he buy to minus away whatever he drank. Okay, so we want to do it in a common denominator. What is the common denominator for 8 and 3? 8 and 3 will give you 24. Okay, so times 3, you get 9. 24, you must times 8. Okay. Two-thirds.
I explained my answer in the chat.
Sorry, wait. It's 1/3. It's not liter, sorry, my bad. Because I saw the 1/3, right? Correct, thank you, Hannah. So it's 1/3 of it is fraction of a set. Okay, 1/3 of what set is that? Which set is it talking about? The capacity of 3 out of 8 liters without units. Hannah is correct. So 1/3 multiplied by 3, 8. You will get technically only 1 out of what? 2/3. Sorry, this one is called so-called. What is this? 1. Oh, left. Then actually, what you can do is you find 2/3 straight away. Then